And here we go. The download is finally complete. So now let's try to install LMIM. I just clicked on the installer. We'll wait for it to open slowly if it wants to. So what's happening? It should be launching. Yeah, here we go. So Windows says protect my PC. The app isn't recognized. Yes, that's normal because it's an unknown application. Completely normal, but we're going to run it anyway since we know the publisher and it's a good app. So we wait for the computer to launch the LMIM OS installation locally, and finally we'll be able to use the AI directly from our computer, even offline. So, what's happening with this installation? It's a bit slow, that's normal. We'll wait for Firefox to respond. I downloaded the app with Firefox, but for now we wait for the installation to continue. It's processing. Here we go. The Windows installer opens slowly. And there we go. The installation should be arriving. Just look at my user experience. I have many programs open in the background. That's why my computer is slowing down a bit. I have too many things open. Again, I have a more or less normal computer. Nothing special. What I'm doing here, almost anyone with a computer can do. This is a laptop from just a few years ago, so anyone can do this. I have a choice between two languages, English and Spanish. I'll choose English, and we're off. Thank you. Let's continue. We install, nothing special for now. We'll install the usual shortcuts in the Start menu and on the desktop. Here we go. The installation starts. Let's see how long it takes. Just to see, I'll start a stopwatch at the same time. Here we go. I'm starting a stopwatch. Just like that. I've already lost a few seconds, so I'll add about 10 seconds to the total installation time. So there, everything is installing. LMIM is being installed. We can see that it contains Qwen 2.5. That's Alibaba's AI model, if I'm not mistaken. Qwen is a series of language models developed by Alibaba Cloud that can handle complex tasks and outperform competitors on many different metrics. There's a lot of technical stuff here that's not really the subject. The models are open and distributed under open licenses, so they're accessible to developers and organizations who want AI for cheap, like on our computer. For individual users, it's completely free. If a company wants to use this model, they can purchase a license for the organization and also the configuration to manage tasks. For example, sales prospecting, production teams, things like that. It's possible to connect this AI to the company's software, to the software on the computer, to run the AI without internet connection, without sending data to the cloud, and to manage entire sequences of tasks. For example, automatically responding to prospect emails for the sales team. That's the kind of thing that can be set up with LMIM simply. And then just install it on your colleagues' computers, your employees' computers, to automate all kinds of tasks you need to run your business. And plus, here we go, the installation is almost finished. So again, I repeat for businesses, they can use this AI by simply discussing with the LMIM OS team, who will provide a personalized offer to customize LMIM for their company's needs and their employees in particular, and manage whole sequences of tasks simply. Simple and efficient, and it can work for any business. The larger your business, the more employees you have, the more useful and profitable it becomes. The installation installed the Spanish voice, installed the English voice just before, and we're arriving soon at the end of the installation with large files installed. Now we're moving to small files. Total installation time, 4 minutes and 37 seconds, plus the few seconds it took me to start the timer. Now finally I can launch LMIM OS.